Welcome back. Today I would like to share you how you can change phone on iOS 14 up to 14.3, including your new iPhone 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. So as long as you are on 14 up to 14.3, it is good to go. Now you need to be jailbroken in order to do it. And if you haven't, you can watch my previous video on how you can jailbreak using Uncover. Now I have the iPhone XR. It is currently running on iOS 14.2. And in order to get a new phone, you can go ahead and go to side here, and you need to add additional repo where you can find those repo in my video description. The first one should be this one. You can hit on edit, and then you can hit on add on the top left, and you can enter the repo. And after that you need one more repo called sparkdale.me. So both repo can be found in my video description. And I have already added those two. I can go ahead and search for snowboard. So you need to have snowboard. Now hit on modify, and I have already installed it, so now I can just upgrade. Hit on continue, and now you need to install snowboard phone extension, and now hit on modify again. Now I can reinstall it. So you can see these two tweaks that you need to install. Now hit on confirm. Now it is done. I can restart my phone, and after that you need to go back to side here, and now it's time to install phone. You can go to sources and go to the first repo that I mentioned at the beginning of my video. Just go ahead and click on phone, and you can see a bunch of them that you can try. So let me go to this one. Hit on install and then confirm, and then you need to apply the font. So I can return to side here, and now I can go ahead and go to setting, scroll down and go to snowboard, select theme, and then you can enable it. So if you have more than one, you can disable the previous and enable the one that you have just installed, and hit on apply. Hit on the check button. Now go back. You need to go to extension where this option must be enabled. So font must be enabled, and then I can respring. Now you can see the new font style on my iPhone right there. So thanks for watching, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.